Hey guys, Clay here. We've got Havoc Off-Road's HST full cab length step that's going to fit your 2015 and up F-150 along with the Raptor and the 2017 F-250. Now I'm going to show you guys how to install this on your truck, so let's get started. So now we are on the driver's side rear bracket of this board. Now all of the driver's side brackets are the same, so it doesn't really matter which one you use, but they are different from driver to passenger. So what we're going to do is this bracket is going to slip underneath of this welded on flange. We're going to put in our carriage bolt. Now keep in mind, all of your hardware is going to be black Teflon coated. We've just had this board on and off for just testing and numerous other things. So just going to put all this hardware on really hand tight. We're going to leave it a little loose so that we can adjust it and put it on the truck. Put the washer, lock washer, and then the nut on. Then you've got one on the side. It's going to be the same process. Now with this hand tight, you can see the adjustment that we were talking about. Like I said, you get almost a ½ inch. If you get the board installed and you decide, I'd like it to stick out a little bit more, that's where your adjustment's at. So now we're going to go ahead and move the board to the truck. Make sure you install all 3 of the brackets on each board on there, but in this loose configuration. So now we're on the center bracket on the driver's side. This is easier with a friend, but you don't need it if you don't have somebody that can help you out. What you're going to do is just line everything up. Get the brackets to fit over the studs, and as soon as they do, they'll really hang there by themselves, but just be careful. You don't want to get dirt in your face or anything. We're going to install the hardware that holds the bracket to the truck itself. So now once you have the brackets on the board, they install on the truck the same on both sides. You're just going to install the hardware from the bracket to the inside of the rocker. Now once we get all this hardware installed, I'm going to tighten up this portion first, and then we're going to alternate on this hardware that holds the bracket to the board. And once again, all of this hardware is the same on each bracket. Now we'll tighten up this hardware. Now keep in mind these studs are fastened to an aluminum structure. So when you're tightening this up, use your judgment not to over tighten it and spin that stud inside the rocker. And make sure to tighten all the brackets up. So now that we got the board where we want it, we're just going to tighten up the hardware. And like I said, all the hardware on this is the same. So just make sure to double check everything, that you didn't leave anything loose, and you're done. Well, there you go, guys. It's a really easy install. Once you orient the brackets from the passenger side to the driver, it's just a matter of loosely fitting all the hardware, putting the board on the truck, tightening everything down, and then you're ready to go wheeling. If you guys have any questions at all, make sure to give us a call or visit us online. Thanks.